In this episode 7 of our MBTI in Real Life series, we are going to ask you 13 questions. The answer to these questions will determine your preference for introversion or extroversion. That is, you will know the first letter of your MBTI personality code. As we know, the complete MBTI personality type code is a 4-letter code in which each of the letter represents one of the 4 dichotomies of introversion, extroversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, and judging, perceiving. So, in the next 3 episodes, we will ask 13 questions for each dichotomy to help you determine your preferences for the other 3 dichotomies. Episode 8 will deal with SN dichotomy. Episode 9 will deal with TF dichotomy. And episode 10 will deal with JP dichotomy. At the end of episode 10, you will be able to know your complete MBTI personality code. While answering these questions, you have to keep in mind the following. Number 1, to every question, you have 2 options, option A or option B, and you have to choose either A or B as your choice. Number 2, choose your option to a question honestly in a relaxed manner. Number 3, at times you might feel that both of these choices relates to you, but you have to choose the choice that you prefer more than the other. In such a situation, take your time to choose your preference. Number 4, some questions might confuse you. In such a case, skip answering that question and tell us about your confusion in the comment section so that we review the question to remove the confusion. Number 5, there are no right or wrong answers. These answers just tell you your preferences regarding these dichotomies. Number 6, remember, answers to these questions is just the starting point of your self-awareness. Now to the 13 questions about the introversion-extroversion dichotomy. Number 1, do you prefer working, choice A, alone, or choice B, in groups? Number 2, do you enjoy social gatherings, choice A, rarely, or choice B, often? Number 3, do you recharge by choice A, solitude, or choice B, interaction? Question number 4, do you find energy in choice A, quiet reflection, or choice B, lively conversation? Question number 5, do you prefer choice A, deep one-to-one talks, or choice B, casual group chats? Question number 6, do you feel more comfortable when choice A, listening, or choice B, speaking? Question number 7, do you prefer choice a few close friends, or choice B, many acquaintances? Question number 8, do you spend weekends, choice A, at home, or choice B, out with others? Question number 9, do you find networking, choice A, draining, or choice B, energizing? Question number 10. Do you prefer choice A, thinking before speaking, or choice B, speaking while thinking? Question number 11. Do you enjoy choice A, solitary hobbies, or choice B, team activities? Question number 12. Do you prefer choice A, observing first and then acting, or B, jumping into action? Question 13. Do you feel more natural? Choice A, writing your thoughts, or choice B, talking about your thoughts? That is great. You have finished answering the questions. Now count your choices of option A and option B. If the number of counts of choice A is more than the number of counts of choice B, then you prefer introversion, otherwise extroversion. If your first letter is E, then it means that you need interaction with outside world to make yourself happy. That is, to energize yourself. For example, as a learner, you will enjoy group discussions. On the other hand, if your first letter is I, then it means that you need solitude to energize through reflections and avoiding crowded and noisy places. For example, as a learner, you will prefer solo reflection. Also remember that every one of us has both the abilities of introversion and extroversion, but we prefer one more than the other. In the next 3 episodes, we will be asking you questions about determining your preferences for the other 3 MBTI dichotomies of sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, and judging, perceiving. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel, where we spread love through learning by integrating intellect and positive feelings for meaningful living. Please like and share the video and comment upon it. Allah Hafiz.